Here is the topic of arguments for democracy. A democratic government is a better government because it is a more accountable form of government. In context of Chinese government policies and Indian government policies, this argument can be understood clearly. China's famine of 1958 to 1961 was the worst recorded famine in world history. Nearly 3 crore people died in the famine. उन दिनों इंडिया की इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन चाइना से बहुत अच्छी नहीं थी, फिर भी इंडिया में चाइना की तरह फैमिन कभी नहीं हुआ था. इकोनॉमिस्ट का कहना है कि दिस वाज अ रिजल्ट ऑफ डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज इन द टू कंट्रीज. द एग्जिस्टेंस ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी इन इंडिया made the Indian government respond to food scarcity in a way that the Chinese government did not. If China too had multi-party elections, an opposition party, and a press free to criticize the government, then so many people may not have died in the famine. At present too, China is using repressive policies to control the coronavirus affected disease, that is COVID-19. But India is using very appreciative policies of humanity and the ways of methods which not only control the disease but also increase the bond of unity and brotherhood. Second argument in favor of democracy is given here that democracy improves the quality of decision making because it is based on consultation and discussion. Third argument, democracy provides a method to deal with differences and conflicts. In democracy, no one is a permanent winner, no one is a permanent loser. Different groups can live together. In a diverse country like India, democracy keeps our country together. Fourth argument, democracy enhances the dignity of citizens because it is based on the principle of political equality. And the last argument which is given here, democracy is better than other forms of government because it allows us to correct its own mistakes. There is a scope for public discussion on mistakes. They cannot be hidden for long and there is a room for correction. Finally, we can say that democracy में अगर कुछ मिस्टेक्स होते भी हैं डिस्कशन लेने में या फिर डिसीज़न लेने में, जो भी लॉन्ग निगोशिएशन होता है, डिस्कशन होता है, उसके बाद भी कुछ मिस्टेक्स होते हैं, लेकिन उसे हिडन बहुत दिनों तक नहीं रखा जा सकता और उसमें चांस होते हैं कि उस मिस्टेक को दूर किया जाए. देयर इज़ अ रूम फॉर करेक्शन. फाइनली वी कैन से दैट डेमोक्रेटिक गवर्नमेंट is a representative government and it is more reliable government. Broader meaning of democracy. Sometimes we use democracy for organizations other than the government. We are a very democratic family. Whenever a decision has to be taken, we all sit down and arrive at a consensus. My opinion matters as much as my father's. Second, I don't like teachers who don't allow students to speak and ask questions in the class. I would like to have teachers with democratic temperament. Students, if you want to ask any question, you want to satisfy your curiosity, and teacher does not allow you to ask any question, you don't like this type of teacher, isn't? Third, one leader and his family members decide everything in this party. How can they talk of democracy? Thus, democracy is a principle that can be applied to any sphere of life. Thank you.